How to make and create Pinterest video ad on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to canva.com, log into your account. Now click on create a design and search for Pinterest. Go down, click on Pinterest video ad. It will take you directly to this page. Now go right here, choose any template you want. As you can see, for example, let's say this one. Click on it, and now you can change the text and everything from here, as you can see, and click play. Now it looks so professional. You can choose many templates, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.